URL path. Here, if we want to know more about experience, we can put that in URL, and that is going to give us the summary. But this is not really all that great. It has to be awesome like home.html, as it is containing nice image, buttons and all that stuff, so that we will make our detail page look like as good as our home page. So we will copy a lot of same code we have from our home.html and will swap a little few things to make it great. We will go to PyCharm. We are in home.html. Like I told, I am going to select all of the code here and will copy to detail.html, leaving the experience.summary at the top. And then I'll be taking this till here because it is of no use in this detail.html, and after this the code written in Jumbotron heading I'll be writing in, instead of Rahul Sharma I will give job detail, and instead of its explanation I will delete this and I will write the experience.summary, aligning to its top, and will rewrite this to here. And instead of email me, I will be writing back, and how it can go back, we need to delete this and we need to make a anchor tag to revert to the home.html. So for this I'll be writing here inverted commas, brackets, inside this URL, single comma, and I have to divert it to home. Fine, and here I need to put 1% mark. Great. Let's see how it looks. Control S, and we will go back to our browser, and here I will write, if I go back to experiences/2, great, we got job detail, I worked as an intern, and this photo should be removed with the first photo instead of this, and I guess back should be here. So let's go back to PyCharm. I will take this p tag, Control X, and after this image I'll be writing here, Control S, experiences2. Yes, let's check our back button. Wow, it has been diverted to a home.html. Because now I can simply say I want to go to the URL for home, I have given it the name home, and I can simply link there as you have seen there. That's it. Django handles everything else for being able to send us back to the home page. If we go back to Chrome here, we have seen that it is working well with this. Now the other thing we need to do in this, we have to divert. If we click this, it should go to that detail page. And the other thing we have to do is, if I go to experiences /3, it should give the photo of Amazon.